Hi, I'm Darcel Lobo, and I'm the owner of Dow Law Firm, and here to talk to you today about using bankruptcy to stop your foreclosure. So if you have a pending foreclosure and you've utilized other options, you've worked on a loan modification, you tried to work with the bank, you looked at refinancing, whatever options you may have looked at is at the point now where your foreclosure date may be pending here soon, but you want to save your home and avoid foreclosure. That's where bankruptcy can be a very useful tool to help you save your home or at least avoid foreclosure. By filing bankruptcy, there's an automatic stay that goes into place that temporarily at least postpones the foreclosure and allows you time to figure out what the plan may be, depending on what type of bankruptcy you choose to file. Now, if you filed bankruptcy before and there's been repeat cases and they've been dismissed, you may not have that protection of an automatic stay. That's why it's important to talk to an attorney beforehand to make sure that you would have an automatic stay and your bankruptcy would help you. So there's two types of bankruptcy for individuals, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy is not going to save your home if you are facing foreclosure. It will buy you time and it will likely avoid the foreclosure, but it will not save the home for you. The bankruptcy trustee will likely be selling your home instead of the foreclosure occurring. So if you want to not only stop the foreclosure, but also save your home and keep your home, then you're likely looking at a Chapter 13 bankruptcy in order to do so. So back to the Chapter 7. If you're facing foreclosure, your bankruptcy trustee, it is his or her job to sell any assets that you cannot keep in the bankruptcy. And if you have a home that's facing foreclosure and you're not able to save it, then the trustee will likely be looking to sell that home. So it would stop any pending foreclosure. It would step into your shoes, hire a real estate agent, have someone come out, and then list the property for sale. Generally speaking, you are allowed to reside in the property during that time. And if you have any exemptions available to you, the trustee would pay you that exemption when the property did sell. You would receive those funds before your other creditors received any other funds. But in Chapter 7 bankruptcy, if you are facing foreclosure, the Chapter 7 bankruptcy would not help you save your home. So if we're looking to save your home, then we're looking at a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. That is a repayment plan over 3 to 5 years where you repay back a portion of your debt over that 3 to 5 year period. And generally, we are creating your budget so that you are repaying your mortgage arrears during that 3 to 5 year plan. But there are other options in Chapter 13 bankruptcy as well. Besides just a repayment plan to get caught up on the arrears, you also can look at a loan modification or a refinance. And yes, you can refinance your home in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. There are some requirements to be able to do so, but it is possible. And I do have clients who are able to refinance. So there are other options as well. And in a Chapter 13, as the debtor, you have more control over that plan and what happens. The Chapter 13 trustee is not taking your home and selling it like you would have in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. So while bankruptcy is never my client's first choice, if they're facing foreclosure and have exhausted other options, sometimes bankruptcy is the best option to help them reorganize, to help them get in control of their finances and save their home from foreclosure. So if you're looking for help with foreclosure with a bankruptcy, give our office a call. Our number is 206-408-8158 or visit us online at dowlawfirm.com. Thank you.